My pet monster of Valentin Montaño. I have a pet monster. His name is Pepe. He is very happy. He has one eye and two arms, and one head and two legs. He likes to eat apples and meat and spaghetti. He lives in the beach. But today my monster has a problem. His problem is he is sick. I will go and fix the problem. I will give him medicine. Now the problem is fixed. So my monster is very happy. I am very happy too.